Hey folks, this is the troubleshooting video for charging your Tone Traveler tablet. The first thing I want to start off with is the charging block that comes with your Tone Traveler is a fast charger. It's a high amperage multi-voltage output. It is the only charging block that will consistently charge your tablet. You can use anything to charge the speaker, including this charging block, but just know that this is the charging block that will consistently charge your tablet. Your Tone Traveler comes with two cables, a longer round cable and a shorter flat cable. We're going to use that today to try and charge our Tone Traveler. Our Tone Traveler right now is on, but let's pretend like it died. I'm going to turn it off as if the battery had run out. It's going to shut down, and so I'm going to take my charging block and I'm going to plug it into wall power. This is actually the first place where you can kind of get into trouble. We've had some folks plug it into a switched outlet where the outlet wasn't switched on, or it was a bad outlet, an old outlet that had gone bad. And it's easy to do, easy to think that something between this block and the tablet is wrong, and it's a funky outlet. It's really easy to do. And so the next step, I'm going to plug this USB cable in. You're going to hear a positive click when that plugs in. And then the other thing to know is when you plug it into the tablet, you will hear a very positive click. Some people get it this far and think they're done, but you really need to wait for that click. I'll show that again. It clicks. And then typically you'll see a battery pop up. Now if your tablet's dead, that can take a little bit longer to show up. And then it'll show you how much battery your tablet has. Typically when it's dead, it'll show 1% or 2%. But then once that screen goes away and a couple hours later you want to check in on your tablet again to see where the battery's at, all you have to do is there's a white or silver power button on the side. You just want to bump that. You're not going to hold it down, just click it and it'll pop up how much battery you've got. And that's it. But if you do all this and you're not getting any battery, first check your outlet. And the next thing I would do is unplug the cable you're using and plug in the other cable that comes with your Tone Traveler, because it could be on the outside chance that you got a bad cable. We've never had that happen, but anything can go wrong. And once again, you want to hear that click. And then of course you would test to see if it's charging again. Battery pops up, and then it'll show you how much battery it's got a moment later. There it goes. And so let's say you tried both your cables and still nothing. Well, at this point, I would go get your phone or some other USB device and try plugging it into this block and seeing if it's charging it at all. At that point, if it's not charging your phone, and you know that phone cable is okay, it's the phone cable you use every day, you can just about say that it's either an outlet or the block itself that has gone bad. And then, of course, you can contact us. We'll send you a new wall wart, and we'll get you squared away. And yeah, that's pretty much it for charging your tablet. Yeah, and don't be afraid to use your tablet. We've had lots of customers using their tablets while they're plugged in, and everything's been just fine, so that should be okay if you want to do that. All right, thanks so much.